So today again we want to trade crypto arbitrage trading, and we said crypto arbitrage trading is buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So I want to give you the basics that you need to start trading crypto arbitrage trading. And the basic thing you need to exchanges that is Binance or any other account related to Binance. It can be Bybit, it can so many of them. So you'll go get Binance, you'll do that favor for yourself. Then after that, make sure you get runquilly.com. You can get it in your browser. After searching runquilly.com, make sure you verify your email and KYC, and then after that you can download this Runquilly app. This will help you get arbitrage opportunities, and also you can as well do what? You can as well get free trading bots. So after downloading the app, make sure you deposit, and you use your external wallet to deposit. That can be Binance, Bybit, or OKX. As I said, there are so many of them. So you'll come on deposit in Runquilly, then you click on USDT or BTC or any other. Then you enter amount, let's say 300. Then you click continue, you copy the address. That's how you deposit to your Runquilly so that you can get the arbitrage opportunities. Then you come on assets on Binance, you click on send, then you click withdraw assets, you click USDT, you long press to paste the address copied in Runquilly. Network is TRC20, amount is max, then you withdraw and confirm. After that, you will unlock your arbitrage opportunity, and also you will unlock something called arbitrage bots. So the bots are more profitable than manual trading, as I always tell you. So make sure you get that chance. And also one thing I wanted to say is you can trade crypto arbitrage trading in Runquilly, and you receive your assets direct to your external wallet. So there is no need of withdrawal. You dodge that withdrawal fee. So you come and click on sell because you bought at a low price in a centralized platform. Then you sell here. So I'll just get one merchant. You can see if you sell 100 USDTs, you'll get 119. That means 19 is your take profit, and you can receive actually in your external wallet. So we'll do this in real time, and I will show you how this goes. So make sure you go get the basics, the capital, and everything. Then we are starting in a few to trade crypto arbitrage trading. So nobody should miss today's class. I repeat, nobody should miss today's crypto arbitrage classes because there will be much profitable.